Gorgeous, Peter. This aeroplane now, you know, down by us, we live just by Biggin Hill in Kent there, about a mile away from that, and they've got the now two-seat Spitfires that they're giving rides to. And for $2,750 you can have the best birthday present you've ever had in your life, because you can go for a ride in the rear seat. And it's marvellous, it's half an hour job. And if you want, you can pay another £1,000 and have a full video made of it with an aeroplane flying alongside, with you wearing a bone dome and all the business. So they've got 3 of these, as I say, they're one of the most massive amounts of aeroplanes you've ever seen in there. If you want to fly in one of these, my dear friend of so many years, we go back, don't go way back. Oh please, this is my colleague, look, he's going to tell you all about this Carf aeroplane, which is a wonderful name in aeroplanes. Go ahead.
It's a Carf T-6, it's their latest aircraft series. If you look at the detail of this aircraft, you see down the line.
That's beautifully flown, isn't it?
The process took several months because there's thousands and thousands of rivets already made. Andreas keeps flying airplanes.
Famous Andreas.
Andreas was the first time he came to England in 1980.
Sure, you were a Spitfire.
Certainly did. He stole the show there with his marvellous. He had a Dakota that was done up in little white Lufthansa colours. And he stopped the show. He came over in a small car. Unbelievable. Well done, you. Is he your guest? Thank you so much for that. Thank you very much. Oh, well done, Andreas. He's famous, lovely guy. Proud to see him. I'll say we commendated on him the first time over there when this young lad in May wearing an old car bought this aeroplane on the top wing.
You only see a model that looks and sounds the part at the same time.
That does. Yeah.
That's it, isn't it?
Oh, lovely.
Hello.